guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will cover the symptoms of a bad PCV valve guys on a 2.4 Multiair engine. If you have a 2.4 Multiair engine guys, that engine has been used in multiple vehicles. I will name a few guys. One of them is Dodge Dart, Chrysler 200, Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass, Jeep Renegade, Ram, PROMASTER City, Fiat 500X and Fiat Toro guys. All these vehicles use the 2.4 Multiair engine. Now, if you guys have a bad PCV valve, we'll explain what you can expect and how to detect that you have one. That little device costs only a few dollars to replace. Most people, I would say 95% of the people never ever think about replacing it, and that thing guys can lead to so many problems. So what we usually do guys, mine, I replace it every 60,000 miles, to be honest with you. Replace it so I don't need to worry about it. Even some manuals suggest to do that, so stay with us and we'll explain all the symptoms now. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this one here and that engine guys, we take them completely apart and we make more than 200 videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts or tools, check out the link in the description of the video below, it will be shared there for your convenience guys. So this is guys the engine, this is the 2.4 Multiair engine, as you can see, that's what it looks like guys, and we're going to cover today what can cause for you to have what are the symptoms of a bad PCV valve and what a bad PCV valve can cause to your engine. So that's what we'll be covering guys today. Now some of the symptoms guys, let's first explain where the PCV valve is located. When you remove the engine cover, come to the valve cover, this device right here guys, where the hose attaches, you can see that hose is a little bit loose. Where that hose attaches, this is your PCV valve. How you remove it, just unscrew it guys, pull it out. Now if that valve is bad guys, what will happen? Let's first explain what it does guys. That valve, when your engine runs, it has some blow by, you know the piston rings inside the engine guys, they're supposed to seal, but you always have some little blow by that will end up in the crankcase, the bottom half of the engine, and as a result guys, that blow by will increase the internal pressure of the engine. That blow-by needs to go somewhere. I think the PCV valve was invented in the 60s guys, and that blow-by usually with the PCV valve is taken to the intake and it runs through the engine one more time and comes out of the exhaust. So that way guys, you don't have internal pressure in the engine. If that PCV valve guys fails and it is stuck close guys, what can happen now? You will have increased pressure inside the engine. As a result guys, you may develop oil leaks, valve cover gaskets may start leaking, oil pan gaskets guys, crankshaft seals, front and rear crankshaft seals. Everywhere you have a gasket or something like that guys, or a seal, it may develop a leak. So if you guys develop a leak, you fix that, you develop another one, check the PCV valve guys. What other things it can cause guys? Leaking oil. Obviously if you have a bad gasket, it will leak oil. In addition guys, when you open your oil cap, right here, when you open the oil cap, you may experiencing like whitish buildup, like foam and oil water buildup on the inside of the cap. This is because that blow-by couldn't exit and it just circulating in the engine guys. So that's another thing guys. And something else, you may develop smoke coming out of the exhaust, like thinking you almost have a bad engine guys, terribly bad engine, because that increased pressure inside the engine actually will make itself around the pistons when they go up, and sometimes you will spray extra oil guys, and as a result black smoke coming out of the exhaust, and you may end up thinking you need a new engine guys. Now what if it's stuck guys? If that valve is stuck, it can guys misfire, the car can misfire, that's one thing. Another thing guys, you will develop, you need to check the line to make sure that you don't have oil inside of it guys. If you have a pretty good amount of oil, it means that it's stuck open guys, so it's circulating the air all the time, and that can develop misfires and loss of oil, because the oil will be pumped in the intake that way. Another thing guys, what it can do, you can experiencing rough idle and rough engine starts. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.